Okay, so I have my simple spreadsheet, and your rate is going to be in dollars. So if you want, you can highlight the cells, right click, and say number format, and choose whatever is currency here. And let's see, negative numbers, I guess we just go like that, but it doesn't make sense. So anyway, 2 decimal places, and we'll say okay. And this will automatically be numbers, and then this should be currency as well. So number format and currency, and okay. Okay, so I'll say, oh, I don't know if you're like $80 an hour, let's see, we'll go 480 a day. Okay, and here we have half a day, so 0.5. And here we'll actually, it's probably your same rate all the time, so I can just hit Control C or Command C if you're on your Apple, and Command V to paste it, because that'll probably be the same. And you might have 1 day, and maybe you were someplace 3 days, and 2, and maybe even 3/4 of a day, so 0.75. Okay, and I'll just center that just because that's how I am. And here is our formula. So what I'm doing is I'm hitting my equal sign. That tells it it's a formula. And then I'm saying this. So see how it just put in the cell A2? And then I hit my shift asterisk times this. And right now I'm going to hit enter. And there it is, my half-day rate. Now, Excel is smart enough that if I copy this, so my Command C, and I paste it down here, and I'll show you what happens when you don't have anything to multiply. And there you go.